Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you this Corvus OS version 6.0, which is based on Android version 10 on this Redmi Note 3. So let's begin. Here, this is the Corvus OS based on Android version 10, and the Corvus version is 6.0. The security patch level is June 5th, which is the latest one. Then going to the let's show you some features in the system. You have these gestures like jump to camera, prevent ringing, and all that stuff available here. Then you have these advanced controls too, which are the Xiaomi features, and you get this Mi sound enhancer available here. Then you have this digital well-being available, which is also working fine. You can see here to show your data. Then going to the security options, you have the fingerprint available here, and the fingerprint scanner here is working fine. It's good enough, it's working fast, not that slow. And going to the sound, you get all the sounds and stuff. Then going to the display options, you have this lock screen display option available here, which is the ambient display, and you also have the always on display, which is also working fine. Then you have the styles and wallpapers. You get all the different types of clocks, as you can see here. Then you have this wallpaper here. This is the on-device wallpaper for the Corvus OS wallpaper available. All this stuff like the double tap to wake, all this stuff, display stuff available here. Then going up here to this Ravens Live, which are the Corvus OS customizations. You have this notification customization like the heads up and the charging animation, all these stuff, and you also have the edge lighting available for the ambient display. Then in the miscellaneous, you have this rounded corner option, which is also working fine, as you can see here. Then you have the screenshot type like the partial screenshot or the full screenshot option. The screen of animation and the scrolling cache. Then you have this gaming mode. Under the gaming mode, you have all these stuff available, all of the miscellaneous. Then in the lock screen, you have the lock screen customization like lock screen shortcuts, lock screen style. You can customize the font, then the clock style. All sorts of customizations are available. Okay, then going to the charging animation, you have all this charging animation, which is also working fine, no problems with that. You have this option double tap to on the lock screen to sleep, lock screen charging info, all sorts of customizations available. And the fingerprint preferences, you have these FP authentication vibration, which is the fingerprint vibration. Then in this option, this status bar customization, you have these battery options like the charging LED, which is also working, the battery icon style, the battery percentage, all you can customize. Okay, then in the carrier label, this is the carrier customization. You can customize the carrier label name, you can set your custom name. Then you have the clock options available here like the date position, clock position. Then in the icon manager, you get the status bar icons customization, whichever you want you can turn on. Then you get the custom logo, as you can see here is the Corvus OS logo on the status bar. Then and the quick settings, you get all the quick settings customization like the quick QS pull down from the left or the right. You get the vibrate on touch, all sorts of quick settings customizations, which are almost the same in every ROM. I don't think I have to tell you every time or show you every time. Yeah, right. Okay, then in the traffic indicator, you have this net traffic indicator on the status bar. You can turn and off from here. Then this is the ticker. I don't know what is this. Then going to this, here is the hardware customization like the buttons. Then in the navigation bar, you get this on-screen navigation bar, but they already works. You can turn it on from here, but then the hardware button just turns off. Then in the navigation, you get this gesture navigation 2 button and the 3 button. Then in this settings, you get these options like if you want the gesture pill to be hidden, or you can just see it, just adjust the size of the pill, as you can see here. Keep it till long, all you can just do it your way. It is working fine, and the back gesture is also working fine. I like to keep it off as both are working, but After you turn off the on-screen navigation bar, then the hardware button's vibration just turns off and you will need to reboot your phone to turn it on. Then you have this back button, long press and double tap home button, and same for the recents button. You can just do it on your way. Then you in this power menu, you have this power menu option like the animation. As you can see, I am showing the fly. Okay, as you saw that animation, that's it. Then you have this advanced reboot and all sorts of options available here. So guys, that's it for the customizations. Now talking about the features, like the Wi-Fi is working fine. Then you have this flashlight is also working fine, no problems with that. Then you have this dark theme, which is pretty good. Okay, I forgot you to show something. You have these themes options available here, and you can customize the accent color from here. Pick whatever you want. Then you can customize. These are the icon shape. Then these are the status bar icons. Then you have all these themes like the light, Google Dark. As you can see, the Corvus Clear is basically all black theme available, which is looking really great. It's fine. As you can see, this is the Corvus Clear theme. Then you can also schedule a theme for system theme. You can schedule the themes. Then this is the switch style option. As you can see here, the narrow, contain, retro. Okay, as here you can see I have applied narrow. This is the switch, I go to display option. As you can see, this switch, this is these customizations available. You can keep whatever you want. I have switched to 1+, so as you can see, this switch has changed. Okay, then talking about other features, the camera here is the inbuilt one. This is the Google Camera Go version, which is working absolutely fine, no problems with that. Then going to this is the Google Camera version 7.3, which is also working absolutely fine, no problems with it. Video, portrait mode, night sight, everything is working fine, and I have made a detailed video on this Google Camera version 7.3. Go check it out, link is in the description below. Then talking about the PUBG performance, PUBG runs great. I would say this is the best ROM for the gaming performance is great on this ROM. No lags for the PUBG. I have played it for almost half an hour, and the performance was good enough. Then you have this right swipe for the for the Google feed. Okay, then this is the screen record option, it is available. Then there is no option for the 3-finger swipe for the screenshot, but there is the option for the long screenshot also available. And talking about YouTube is also working fine, no problems with the YouTube. Okay, so guys, now talking about battery life on this ROM is not so great. It's below average. I would say it's not good. The battery life is not good. Okay, so guys, then many of you were asking for the Antutu, but I tried to install the Antutu benchmark, but it was not getting downloaded. So I am having these Geekbench scores. As you can see here, the Geekbench score, these are amazing, like 288 and 769. These are the highest, I think, for a custom ROM on this device. These are the Geekbench score for the Atom OS, and these are for, I don't know, I think these are for the Colt OS. Okay, so guys, talking about the gestures are working absolutely fine on this ROM. No problems with the gesture, they are smooth enough. You will be having no problems, as you can see here. So guys, now talking about bugs, I haven't faced any bugs yet. Everything is working perfectly fine for me. Now the performance is great, but the battery life is not good. Okay, I haven't faced any bugs yet, like the black screen or the reboot bug. Everything is working fine. If I faced any bug, then I will be including it in the description, so check it out if I have faced it till yet or not. Okay, so guys, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel. We are very close to 1000 subs, so let's do it. And if you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below and give me suggestions. What do you want next video, on which room, and are you enjoying this speed test or not? I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and goodbye.